We've got iPads here for people to use to record. They're already recording our journey.
So we've made a map that is only water, so you can sort of see the environment from the perspective of non-humans and their journeys. One of the key organisms we're looking at is the European eel, in part because it's such a migratory organism. It comes from the Sargasso Sea and goes up into Europe. The migrations of the eel, the movements of the eel can be very indicative of changes in environments due to climate change, due to pollution, due to barriers in river environments. And so we're engaging with that organism also as a sensor, so not just using sensing technology, but understanding the organism as a sensor of its environment. Bringing in the non-human gives rise to these expanded ways of considering environments and the effects of borders, needing to undertake international cooperation around broad environmental issues, not least of which climate change. We're at the Tate Exchange now as part of a week-long event on Who Are We? So our particular installation is a participatory laboratory called the Citizen Sensing Laboratory. And it's a process space where we're documenting and observing environments through sensing kit that we've made to try to capture some of these non-human movements and migrations.
I think at the moment it's a kind of exploratory thinking about what possible types of sensing we could do. Try out a hydrophone or the endoscope, start to sense and understand and explore the Thames in a slightly different way, thinking about perhaps how sound itself might be a bioindication.
What we hope to do is to carry on these investigations and to think about the sorts of sensing kit that we can develop in relation to citizen science initiatives, in relation to concerns about the river environments in London and farther afield, and to begin to put together some data that could also be used for regulatory purposes. So it's really a kind of pilot study for us to begin to think about the river environments here.